So, no, I wouldn't say I have a passion for HR.
Let's hire someone in 1 minute in Dominican Republic. What's interesting first is that employment contracts do not have to be written or signed. So you don't really have to have an employment contract. You can do an oral agreement, but any recruitment of any employees must be reported to the Ministry of Labor, which is really interesting. Beyond that, contracts can be modified immediately, but you can do contracts for a certain period, only for limited situations. I think that is pretty cool compared to the rest of the world. And you can also do contracts for a specified service or task. Employers can release an employee within the first 3 months of employment without being required to pay compensation. It is sufficient for the employer to notify the employee in writing and to notify the Ministry of Labor within 41 hours. What happens if you don't do it in 48 hours? No one knows.